getting ready to put 110 Tuckaway Lane in Meridianville on the market. Doing photos today. This is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath home with a bonus room, a really nice open floor plan, nice front porch, and a covered back porch. So this home has a great foyer, hardwood floors, 9-foot ceilings, and a really pretty kitchen, open floor plan, a nice gas cooktop, and wall oven, microwave, lots of counter space, and a huge island. Really nice open dining area and living room. Vaulted ceilings. There are 4 bedrooms and 3 baths on the main living floor, and a bonus room and bath upstairs. A great primary suite. This home is like new. A large walk-in closet and huge primary bath, 2 sinks, a makeup area, a really nice tile shower. It has a linen closet as well as a huge primary walk-in closet. This is huge. On this side we have 2 bedrooms and a bath. 2 bedrooms that share a bath. There's crown mold in every room. Tile showers all the way to the ceiling with a tub. This is another bedroom currently being used as a playroom. And in the front there is a bedroom up front with that's private with its own bathroom. And it also has a tile wall surround around the tub. Coming in from the 3-car garage, there's a nice drop zone. A really large pantry. And a really good size laundry area with extra cabinets. The upstairs bonus room. Really good size. Great for a teenager or a rec room, just a second living space. It has a walk-in closet, some attic access, as well as a really nice bath. Full bath with tile surround. This is the 4th bath. This has really got a lot of space for entertaining. A nice covered porch area, extra concrete fenced backyard. So lots of room for entertaining out back. And so this is Karen Harrison with Remax Alliance. I'd love to have the opportunity to show you this home. It's $499.9. So give me a call, 256-226-5062.